there, welcome to the Ann and Ashley Show. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Ann.
And today's episode, we're going to be talking about some holiday drink options. But before we get started, please hit the like and subscribe button and the little alert button on the top of your screen if you're watching on YouTube. So Ann, what did you put together for a holiday drink? New Year's is coming up too.
Yeah, it is. There's a lot of drinking to be done. So you can either make these as mocktails or cocktails. So right now we're just doing mocktails. This is a honey rosemary drink, but if you add vodka to it, it's a honey rosemary Collins is what they called it. So what I have done here is I made a simple syrup of honey. And so 2/3 cup of honey with 2/3 cup of water, so equal parts honey and water, and then 4 sprigs of rosemary. And then you cook that down, you boil it, cook it down until it's really syrupy. And then it's just ice and the cute little garnish here, a sprig of rosemary. We have lemon, a maraschino cherry, which don't eat it. It's just for the bright red color because it does have red dye 40 in it. And then Pellegrino, which is a lemon Pellegrino. So you can just fill up the glass with your Pellegrino, and then you can add the simple syrup just to taste, depending on how sweet you like it. So maybe, I don't know, a tablespoon or something. And then if you're adding, a little bit of vodka, then a shot of vodka, but you don't have to. And then the rosemary is really the star ingredient. It just makes for such a great tasting, fragrant drink. It just smells like the holidays, and I think it looks really cute too.
It looks really cute.
Yeah.
Do you just use any flavored water or unflavored? Or?
Yeah, you can use just unflavored, natural. Again, this has lemon. You could use lime too, but since we're using lemon as a garnish, I chose lemon. So
I love it.
Yeah.
It looks really cute. Okay, so it's a blueberry lime mocktail.
With mint, right?
Yeah, so the hint of mint, that's optional.
Hint of mint.
It's optional. We like mint, so we added it. Maybe you do too. Maybe you don't, then leave it out. Yep. So I made a simple syrup too. It consists of blueberries, so fresh blueberries. I'm sure you could use frozen too, but you heat it up with a cup of blueberries, a cup of water, and a cup of a sweetener. So it called for sugar. We used monk fruit. And the syrup on its own was actually really good.
Yeah, you can put that on pancakes.
Oh my gosh, you totally could. It'd be really good.
Yeah. Or over ice cream.
Or over ice cream.
You can do
Oh my gosh. Like a dairy-free ice cream.
Yes, a nice cream.
A nice cream. So yeah, it's... we did add 1 leaf of mint because the leaves are massive, so just 1 was enough for flavor. Heat it up to a boil, and then, or you could put it in the microwave like I did until it got hot enough where I could stir it into a syrup. And then I put it in a blender to top it off and make it really blended with the mint as well. But otherwise, heat it up. Okay, and then this is 2 ounces and 2 ounces, so 4 ounces. So about half a cup of the simple syrup. I'm just going to do 2 ounces. That looks like enough.
Yeah.
When I was doing this earlier, I used a bigger glass. Okay, so half a cup, 2 ounces of the simple syrup into the glass. And then I just mixed lime and lemon. So I did part lime to my comfort. I don't know, I just poured. And then lemon as well. And you can play around with whichever is your favorite. The drink just called for lime, but we had both available and it tastes really good. Yeah. So with both of them. And that's it. Mix it up. Garnish was just blueberries and limes. So
and look how
that's
festive.
Your drink.
So
yes,
cute.
And I like the color is kind of what sold me on the holiday drink. But yeah, we had Happy New Year's in mind.
Right. So, hopefully, that gave you some ideas, some inspiration for your holiday entertaining. Like and share this episode with your friends. If your friends are struggling with, every party has to have a signature drink, right?
Absolutely.
So, these are some fun ones. Thank you, and let us know if you have any ideas for show episodes that you would like us to talk about. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next episode.
Cheers. Cheers. And you could add vodka, rum, champagne.
Seriously.
Anything to these drinks.
Yes.
Would you speak it with any one of those?
Probably.
Yeah.